Hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna do a simple credit repair Q&A type of video. It is Thanksgiving week, so I'm gonna keep the video super short. The first question is, how long does credit repair take? Depending on your credit profile, credit repair can take anywhere from a month to 6 months. But if your credit is just, I don't want to say horrible, but if you have a lot going on, it can take anywhere from 6 months to a year to repair. But again, that just depends on your credit profile and what you have set up. For me personally, the individuals that I've been working with, it's been taking anywhere from that good 1 month to 3 months, 6 months max to see that change. The next question is, can I fix my credit myself? Absolutely. And I definitely recommend it because I see a lot of times people get their credit repaired by companies and then they start getting approvals, and then later down the line they mess their credit up again. And it's just like, if you would have just took the time out to learn about credit, you could have just did it yourself that second time. But I will say, when it comes to repairing your credit, you need to have a trusted source. You're able to, ask a trusted source questions, when to follow up, how to follow up, and the laws when it comes to disputing. So yeah. The next question is, how much does professional credit repair cost? I definitely have been seeing companies charge up to $1,000. I feel like that's too much, but I'm not gonna speak on anyone else. I'm only gonna speak about myself. Me personally, I do charge $99 to enroll, and that's to get, all of your disputes out that first time. And then after that first month, it is a fee of $49.99, and you can cancel anytime. You just have to let me know upfront. So that's my prices. Again, I can't speak on anyone else. The next one is, can I remove negative items from my credit report? Yes. If you have any inaccuracies on your credit report, if you have any negative items that's reporting that is incorrect, yes, you definitely can have those items removed from your credit report. You just gotta know how to go about disputing. And I will say, a lot of people give up after that first month if it come back verified, and it's just like, you took all this time to make sure your credit up. Like, don't give up that easily. Follow up. Don't give up. Be consistent, and you definitely want to see the results that you're looking for. um the next one is, how can I avoid credit repair scams? I definitely would say, people that say, oh, I can change your credit score, they're not showing results, and they're just not being open-minded. I definitely would say, look out for those type of people. I definitely recommend that before you pay anybody, you definitely know what you're signing yourself up for. The next one is, how can I monitor my credit report and score? You can monitor your credit report at annualcreditreport.com. That is something that you could track weekly, but I will say, for me, it's just a lot because you gotta keep flipping through the pages. So if you're going through the credit repair phase, you need to get a tri-merged account such as Identity IQ, Smart Credit. Get those type of accounts. I do have links for those where you can get them. You can pull it in a lower amount. I'll put that information in the description box. So that's all I have for this video. I wanted to keep it super short. If you guys have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to me directly. I am offering free consultations up until the ending of this year. I'll leave all my information in the description box, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.